Welcome back to the Engineer's Edge, brought to you by our sponsor, my company, Paradise Tech. This is a first look. It was sort of listed and then retracted last year for the Christmas season. It was listed online and it was taken away. It seemed like before anybody could get one, but I found it. The Kobalt CaseStack, small case. It does exist. It has been released. Got it on Lowe's.com. All right, let's see what we got here. Your coveted Kobalt, really nicely done. This is plastic, but your Kobalt is silver as we would expect it to be. We also have attachment latches here on the side, okay? And we have some middle latches here in the center. Oh, what is that? Back up, cameraman. Do you see what I see? A latch to connect a half stack, to connect small parts organizers that stack. Oh man, is that what I think it is? All right, so we can look forward to some half stacks coming out in the future, hopefully the near future. You know, then we have these big plastic latches here with metal clamps. Kind of hard to open. That's sealing really tight, so that may be a good thing if you want to make sure something seals real tight. And this is a much larger box than my Hart stack power tool case. All right. Oh, inside we have an IP65 rated gasket for moisture and dust, to hold out moisture and dust penetration. And then we have these types of bins here, one on each side. Here's dividers in those where you can remove those or keep them in to divide them in thirds. Okay, so there are those bins. All right, got the Kobalt at the top. All right, and then we have our large box. Well, that's pretty cool. A larger box than the Hart stack power tool case. You go for that flexion. Oh, I got a little bit of flexion. I didn't expect it in a case this big. I got some flexion going on. It's not nearly as bad as the Hart stack case. I'm just so used to that rigid, the granddaddy of them all, which has zero flexion, just strong to the core. So that is a surprise. What's also interesting is I expected there to be some dividers in here, but there aren't. Other than these containers, there just is not other dividers, although I do see slots. I do see slots for dividers here, but the dividers are not included. Very interesting. All right, put this all back together. That is a beautiful piece though, the black with the blue trim. Those are my colors that I like. Here's your lock hole. Looks like we have a space here where you can insert your little labeler and protect it there in the plastic, so that if you have multiples of these, you can easily tell which is which. That's nice. That's built in. That's something that Milwaukee does not have. Milwaukee does not have that. Let's look at, the handle. I'm sorry, the handle there. Okay, it's pretty nice. It's okay. It's big. I don't know. For somehow I expected it to be a little more, feel better than that. It's kind of industrial feeling. I just expected a better grip feel. But it's rubberized under there, so if you're in water, raining on you or something, that's going to help out. And it is bigger than the Hart stack handles. Okay. And let's just take a look at the bottom there. Honeycomb design. Okay. Got some feet on it. All right. Got some grooves here where you could latch into the next component in the stack. So, when I saw that latch, and I says, that looks kind of familiar. And then I looked online and saw that this was just about almost exact to the Dewalt system. The Dewalt, was it the ToughSystem 2.0, something like that? And perhaps I may even just get one to see if it will truly latch into this. But that's pretty much it, guys. A first look at the Kobalt CaseStack system. I only bought here the smallest case, which would be the only piece of the component. I don't need the larger boxes, so I didn't need to buy the larger boxes on the stack. And that is it. Please leave your comments below. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And tell me your vote. Do you vote for Milwaukee, the new Kobalt? Can you not wait till you can find this? You can find this online at Lowe's right now. That's where I found it. But this completes our first look. Thank you so much. Like the video, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I'll catch you next time on the Engineer's Edge.